Hi friends, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you how I make my moisturizing rice face scrub. This is a creamy, lightweight scrub that you can use 1 to 2 times a week. It's very gentle on your skin. So many different skin types can benefit from this scrub. The key ingredient is brown rice. Brown rice is packed with so many amazing antioxidants and vitamins that are simply amazing for your skin. So I'm going to show you my process step by step how I make this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos. And I also sell my products on my website. If you want to check that out, I'll have the link in the description box. So let's jump right in. I'm going to get started weighing out my ingredients, and I'll have the complete recipe in the description box, so check there, as well as links to where I purchase most of my ingredients from. So my first ingredient is going to be aloe vera butter. Aloe vera butter is a very soft, moisturizing and lightweight butter. You can also use shea butter, mango butter. I probably would not use cocoa butter. It's a little bit too heavy for the skin, for the face. And to this, I'm going to add in my hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is also another lightweight oil. Very moisturizing, amazing for dry skin. Other options would be sunflower oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil. I'm also using some grapeseed oil. This is also very lightweight. And I love this oil because it absorbs quickly into your skin. I'm going to add in my emulsifying wax. I'm using Montanov 202. So many other options as well. Ritamolse SCG, Olivem 1000, emulsifying wax, NF. There are so many choices. I'm adding in a co-emulsifier, cetyl alcohol. This is also going to be a thickener. So now that all my oil-based ingredients are ready, I'm just going to heat this on low to medium heat until the waxes and butters have completely melted. So that's what I'm doing here. While my butters and waxes are melting, I'm going to prepare my brown rice. So brown rice, of course, is packed with so many antioxidants that are great for your skin. In doing my comparison between brown rice, white rice, I found there to be more benefits to using brown rice. So that's why I'm using brown rice. There are also great benefits of white rice. So use whichever rice you feel will work better for you in this face scrub. So I'm just going to blend this up. I have a mini blender, so I'm going to blend that up. They also have the brown rice flour available on Amazon. I'll see if I can link that in the description box. So I'm just going to grind it up to a medium fine powder, and then I'm going to set this aside. So my butters and waxes have completely melted. I kind of left it on my burner for too long, so I had a little bit of foam on the surface. So you really want to be careful when you are heating up your butters, because they are sensitive to a lot of heat. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to set this aside to cool down before I place it in the freezer. So I did that for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, this is what my mixture is looking like. It was semi-solid, but it's still a soft consistency. So all I'm going to do now is use my whisk, and I'm going to just whip it for just a couple of minutes. You really don't need to whip it for a long time. All you need is just a couple of minutes to whip it to a creamy and fluffy consistency. So I did that for about 2 to 3 minutes using my electric whisk. So this is what the consistency is starting to look like. It's a light, creamy consistency. You really don't need to mix for a long time. So I did this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to add in my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It's going to help extend the shelf life, and it's also going to keep your oils from becoming rancid. I'm also going to add in a preservative. I'm using Euxil PE 9010. You can also use Optifen as well, and I'm just going to blend all this in just to make sure my preservative and vitamin E has been well mixed in. I was also going to mention that for this face scrub, if you do not want to use a preservative, that is fine, as long as you're able to keep out water from your finished product. You're able to keep out water from your jar that has this scrub. Otherwise, you would have to use a preservative, because most likely you're going to be using wet hands, wet fingers to dip inside this scrub, and you do not want to contaminate your product. So just a thought here, you can get away with not using a preservative. You just have to be very cautious. And this is what my consistency is looking like. So I'm just going to add in my rice flour. So the rice flour is going to be my exfoliant. So that's what's going to remove the dead skin cells from your skin. You can also use other exfoliants like maybe brown sugar, cane sugar, flaxseed. But just be aware that since it's for your face, you really want to be careful when you are using a scrub. You don't want to tear the skin on your face if your exfoliant is too rough. I found the brown rice to be a happy medium. So now that everything has been added in, I'm just going to mix by hand to blend it all in, and then I'm going to give it a final mix with my electric whisk. And the creamy moisturizing rice face scrub is ready. This is what the consistency is looking like. And of course, with using any emulsifying wax or thickener, I would say give it about 24-48 hours for the final consistency. But with this recipe, the consistency remained soft. It remained a really nice, soft, creamy texture. It did not harden up at all. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go on and package this up. And this made 6 ounces of product. I would say the shelf life is up to 12 months, depending on the expiration date of your individual oils and butters that you used. But the shelf life is up to 12 months. This rice face scrub, being an emulsified scrub, what makes it so nice to use is the emulsifying wax. So basically what happens when your skin comes in contact with water, the emulsifying wax basically forms a film on your skin, like a lotion film. So it ends up being a really moisturizing lotion on your skin. And then when you rinse it off your skin, it leaves your skin very moisturized. There's no heavy, greasy residue that's left on your skin, so it rinses off really well. So that's why I love using and making emulsified scrubs. So I'm going to show you how I use it on my face as well. You would just use this like any other scrub. I would say start out once a week and then maybe go up to 2 times a week. See how your skin likes it, just to make sure you don't have any reaction. And on my face, all I do is I wet my face, and then I just take a small amount and then I massage it all over my face for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then I rinse it off. And then I'll just follow up with my regular skincare routine. I'll use my toner, cleanse off any residue that might be left on my skin, and then I'll apply my serums, and then I'll use my moisturizer, oil, and then SPF. And then I'm left with nice glowing moisturized skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please don't forget to like this video because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.